If you want to factory reset your Redmi 15 by using settings, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Next, in these settings, we're gonna choose About Phone at the top, scroll down, and choose Factory Reset. Over here, we will have a summary of everything that will be removed, so you will get rid of everything that you have on your internal storage. So remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose, but once you're ready, you want to press Erase All Data. You also have a choice, an option to make a backup, so you can do that before you proceed to factory reset. But if you do, then we need to wait 10 seconds before we can move on and press Next button. So we're gonna press Next. There we go. And wait another 10 seconds and then press OK once you are ready. There we go. Now we're gonna press OK. And our device should go through the hard reset process. And soon after that, it will reset and you should have the initial configuration again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.